Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create premium travel ad posters using custom shapes. Start with a sky gradient background, then add clouds overlay and blend them softly. Insert a city skyline silhouette at the bottom. Apply soft glows to highlight key building. Place a travel product or offer text in the center. Now add curved shapes behind the text. Use warm colors to create vacations energy. Add small airplane icons using custom shapes. Use motion blur for the airplane trail. Add soft highlights around the offer text. Insert badges for discount or deal. Add gradient overlays